Hey, this is Steve, and what we're going to do today is just start from zero. This is called the Math Genesis series, and we're going to start from counting and going to go all the way up to some more advanced concepts, I guess. So let's jump in and begin. Now, I'm going to assume you probably went to primary school and they covered numbers, so we're going to try cover those relatively quickly, and then we'll jump into some techniques like addition and subtraction and multiplication and division and various things. Okay, so numbers, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's hop over to this thing here. So you go 1, 2, 3. So what I'm doing, so you would have seen this before. 5, 6. Yep. And these are ways to count things. And I guess one way you could represent these numbers, dots. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 dots there. Okay, that's great. Now you can do things like you can add numbers. So for example, 1 plus 2, I go 1 dot plus 2 dots equals 3 dots. Yeah. And that's given by that. So and then as you get more advanced, you can stop. You can get rid of these dots here, right? They get a you end up doing very advanced things. So actually, let's get rid of this thing here. That's better. Now you can also subtract numbers. So 2 take 1 is 1, or a harder example would be 5 take 2 or something like that. That's 3. What else is there? There's multiplication. So what multiplication represents is so say I have 4. So that's 4. But imagine if I have 4, but like say 2 groups of 4. For example, I have another set of 4 here. Sorry, no. Let's get rid of the last one there. Okay, so that's 4. So what this visually represents here is 2 times 4, and then you just count all these dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's going to be 8. And that's how you think about multiplication. Division is also, you can think of it as the opposite of multiplication. For example, I have 10, and I say 10 divide 5. So what does that mean exactly? So I'll just use this dot here. So 1, 2, so that's 3 actually. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 5, so 10 divide 5 is, you group this 10 dots into groups that consist of 5 dots. So here, that's 3, 4, 5, right? And here is another 5. And the answer to this thing is just you count how many boxes you have. Yep. So that's addition, subtraction, and multiplication. In the next video, we'll just go into more detail about addition. Okay.